bright yellow nubuck material is the first thing that draws your attention to this style, which has a powerful visual impact. This hue conveys a contemporary yet nostalgic vibe and is symbolic of Shibuya, Tokyo's neon glitter and street culture. Your feet have an overwhelming presence, and the rich texture of the nubuck that envelops the entire shoe immediately captivates the observer. Unbeautiful, timeless, and exclusive design is created by the organized T23 logo and the embroidered Jumpman logo on the heel. One of the things that draws sneakerheads to this emblem is the enigmatic vibe it conveys. With a clear outsole, the midsole creates a striking visual balance by combining black and white. The subtle gray accents on the shroud and side mesh panels complement the overall color scheme with depth and rhythm, adding to the design's flawlessness beyond simple ostentation. The Air Jordan 5 Retro T23, a model that will be returning this autumn, is a treasure that captures the aesthetics of the Jordan brand and the street culture of Tokyo.